What's going on, guys? Today we're looking at what's in my bag, 2019 style. Let's do it. Hey guys, we're back. This time 2019, we're going to show you what's in my bag. And this is kind of like a half bag review, half what's in my bag review, because I finally found a bag that I love. It's kind of a weekend bag. It's a medium-sized bag. It's not great for super long traveling trips maybe. It's a bit big for a day trip. Well, I'll use it for day trips, but it is a medium-sized bag, so let's jump in and see what's in there. Well, first off, I got both my tripods on the side. I've got my little travel tripod, I've got my phone tripod. And first of all, this thing's built really well. It's got heavy duty zippers, which we love to have. Nobody wants a failing zipper. It's got a nice hard plastic armor on the bottom, which is really gonna keep it nice and safe. You throw it down in the mud or whatever. It's pretty comfy to wear, it's adjustable. It's got some nice breathable mesh. And let's just dive right in. One of the main reasons I bought this thing, because you know, I love my nature photography. I'm always running around out there. And what do I have to have? I gotta have my big, huge lens. So what I did is I bought something that can finally stuff this giant beast in there so I can get at it really, really quick. And I love that. That's probably my number one thing about this bag, was the quick access to my big lens. You're hiking around and you see something, you wanna be able to get at that without having this thing slung over your shoulder the whole time. So there's that. Getting in there. Right in. We've got, yeah, I could have probably stuffed it a bit more, but for me, I wanted to show you what I bring around most of the time. And that's just a few lenses. We've got my macro lens. We've got a super wide angle, my 16 to 35. Love that thing. We've got, just in case, my 1.8 Portrait 85 Sony. Love it. I would have had my run and gun shooter, my Tamron 28 to 75, which is what I'm shooting on right now. But yeah, usually, you know, carry 2 or 3 lenses at a time. I got my flash in here, my flash controller, and my gorgeous new Godox. It's the V860 model. It's fantastic. It's got the lithium ion battery, and I can't say enough good things about this flash. It's the best flash I've ever worked with. It's a little top shooter kind of thing, so love that thing. And that's pretty much it for inside. I've got, what do I got? A couple ND filters. This Tiffin big, huge adjustable ND filter. Gotta have one of those guys, of course. You never know what's gonna happen. Lots of pockets in here, waterproof, zipper. Love that. So in the front, we've got a nice pouch as well. And we've got a little box diffuser for my flash. We've got another, I got my little 10-stop ND filter, of course. We've got my remote trigger for time lapses and whatnot. I've got my trusty pen, lens pen. We've got 3 batteries. Not that my Sony runs out of battery. We've got our wireless shutter. And just a few odds and ends. Little lens rag. And that's pretty much it. There are a couple compartments which you can throw some more stuff in here for your wallet or your phone or whatever you're doing. Oh, and of course, I got my big, beautiful 15.6-inch laptop in here. So, you know, this thing really does it all. For me, you know, I think it was around 130 bucks. You can't really beat that. So for me, it was everything that I was looking for in a bag. It's super light, and that's all I'm really carrying, guys. Simple as that. You know, good gear, you spend the money on the gear that you need. You know, the other stuff you can cheap out a little bit, the triggers and stuff, but for the most part, that's it. Nice and simple, 2019 style. And of course, you know, love to see what you guys carry. Drop it down in the comments. Let me see your gear. Well, that's it, guys. Thanks so much for watching. Really appreciate it. If you did like what you saw, consider giving me a like and a subscribe. All the gear today is in the links below, so if you wanted to pick something up, go ahead and do that. They are affiliate links, so they do throw me a little piece when you use those links, and it's greatly appreciated to keep the channel going. And of course, as always, go out there, make mistakes, be yourself, go take some pictures. See you in the next one.